When it comes to investing in index funds, two popular options are VOO and VFIAX, both offered by Vanguard. To determine which one is better, it is essential to understand the difference between them. VOO is an exchange-traded fund that tracks the S&P 500 index, which comprises the 500 largest publicly traded companies in the U.S. On the other hand, VFIAX is a mutual fund that also tracks the S&P 500 index. The primary difference between the two is their structure and the way they are traded. As an ETF, VOO can be traded throughout the day, allowing investors to quickly respond to market changes. In contrast, VFIAX, being a mutual fund, is traded at the end of the day, after the market closes. This difference in trading flexibility may be important for some investors, but it does not significantly impact long-term investment performance. In terms of fees, VFIAX has a slightly higher expense ratio compared to VOO. However, the difference is relatively small and may not have a substantial impact on overall returns. It is crucial to consider other factors such as investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon when deciding between the two. From a practical perspective, VOO may be more suitable for investors who want the flexibility to trade throughout the day or have a smaller investment amount. On the other hand, VFIAX may be more appealing to investors who prioritize the potential for slightly higher returns, due to its ability to reinvest dividends more efficiently. Ultimately, both VOO and VFIAX are excellent options for investors looking to track the S&P 500 index. The choice between the two should be based on individual investment needs and preferences. It is essential to evaluate personal financial goals and consider factors such as trading flexibility, fees, and investment horizon before making a decision. By understanding the key differences between VOO and VFIAX, investors can make an informed decision and choose the index fund that best aligns with their investment strategy. Whether you choose VOO or VFIAX, it is essential to maintain a long-term perspective and stick to your investment plan to achieve your financial goals.